Unveiling the World of Training Workshops, a comprehensive guide. Hello and welcome to today's session. Are you ready to dive into the enriching world of training workshops? Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious, understanding this concept will open doors to numerous learning opportunities. Let's embark on this journey together. What exactly is a training workshop? In its simplest form, it's an interactive educational experience designed to enhance skills or knowledge through active participation and practice. Unlike traditional lectures, workshops are more hands-on, encouraging attendees to engage with the material and with each other. A typical training workshop follows a structured yet flexible format. 1. Introduction. Setting the stage, introducing the facilitator and participants, and outlining the goals and agenda. 2. Main activity. This is the heart of the workshop, where the actual learning takes place through discussions, group activities, and hands-on tasks. 3. Debriefing. An opportunity for participants to reflect, ask questions, and discuss how they can apply what they've learned. Why attend a training workshop? The benefits are manifold. Active learning. Engage directly with the material, ensuring a deeper understanding and better retention. Networking. Meet and interact with like-minded individuals, fostering opportunities for collaboration and growth. Skill enhancement. Gain practical skills and knowledge that can be applied immediately to your personal or professional life. Selecting a workshop that aligns with your goals and interests is crucial. Here are some tips. Identify your objectives. Know what you want to gain from the experience. Research. Look into the workshop's content, facilitator's background, and participant reviews. Prepare. Come with questions and be ready to participate actively. We hope this exploration into training workshops has illuminated their value and sparked your interest in joining one. Remember, the knowledge and connections you gain from such experiences can be transformative. Thank you for watching, and may your learning journey be as enjoyable as it is fruitful.